Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is Monday, March the 25th, and this is a quick hit on the metals. Looking on or at SLV, GDX, and GLD. Starting off with SLV. Alright, SLV, my favorite last couple videos. And what do we have today? Well, we have more action from inside the big box. Big box. Today ending with a spinning top and higher than Friday. Not bad. We still have the 14-day RSI moving average in ascent. It's not really going anywhere. The stochastics down, CCI up, RSI down, MACD histogram sideways, and MACD up. Big mess. Inside the box. Does this really tell us anything? No, actually it doesn't. So that's unfortunate. Right in the middle. Not too much to be gleaned. And everything's just a mess. So I'm going to move right along. But I'm going to say that this one doesn't look bad. Doesn't look great. Looks right in the middle. And that's all there is to it. But moving on to GDX. Yeah, this doesn't look so hot. This doesn't look hot at all. Ending with a red spinning top today. Obvious rejection of the long-term moving average bar and the lower price consensus level. And we can see that everything is starting to turn. MACD histogram, RSI, stochastics, CCI, no blip in the heat map, plenty of room to move. Yeah, we have the 14-day RSI moving average still in the ascent. But it's not going to be long before it's there at the top. And with all these on their way to the bottom, I think we could easily get to the previous floor, have the 14-day RSI moving average turned down, and then it'll be a matter of a secondary reset, finish off the move to the bottom, and it won't be pretty. So am I a fan of this at this moment? No, I am not. Going on to GLD. Everybody was saying, get into gold, get into gold, get into gold. Broken record. And what do we have today? We have a green spinning top, which almost closed this gap. A little bit left. And how does this one look just by looking at it? Well, it looks like it got into a fight with the long-term moving average bar and was rejected. Just like GDX, you have most everything trying to turn at this moment. The CCI, the stochastics, the RSI, the MACD histogram, and the MACD is losing juice as well. Not too much room to move on the 14-day RSI moving average to the top. A couple of days, and it will be topped. So am I a fan of this chart? Nope, I am not. I think it looks a little better than GDX, but not a fan of this chart. Nope. I'm going to look at the internal structure of volume just to see if there's anything special there, because there has been a few nights where my feelings did not jive with the volume. I don't want to hide that. Do we have any significant change here? Well, volume-wise, it doesn't look bad. 1, 2, 3, 4 greens, in danger of a 5th green. Once again, this does not jive with what I think I see on the chart. Suppose if I looked at it from an alternating perspective, are we in danger on some of these flipping if we were to go down? Volume price trend? Sure we would be. Accumulation distribution? Yeah, it would stay red. In danger on unbalanced volume? Absolutely we are. So the potential does exist that with some sort of a decline here, we could turn red on unbalanced volume, maintain a red on the accumulation distribution, and have one of the minors, namely the volume price trend, turn red. This is premature, but it is a possibility. So maybe it's not that far out after all. I will maintain that I do not really care for it at this moment. And I might as well look at silver too, because it looked better. Does volume say whether or not we should be breaking this box? Red on the accumulation distribution, red on the unbalanced volume, and the 3 minors are still green. And we could possibly have a turn on the volume price trend and turn it into 3 reds. 2 majors, 1 minor. It is possible. Man, it even looks more likely than gold. Alright, well there it is. You can decide for yourself, but that's my initial thoughts or conclusion or theory as to what will be going on with metals. I don't think it looks good at all. As always, all investing decisions are your own. This chart and video for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Thank you very much.